guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nana if you're new here, and I am back here with another video. This video is my nighttime shower routine, and we're just gonna get right into it. So first, I just light a candle to set the mood, a relaxing mood, and then I just go straight into washing my hand because I am going to be touching my face, my hair, just my body. So I want to make sure that my hands are nice and clean before I do touch the other parts of my body. So this is very important. Straight into oiling my hair because tonight actually I am going to be washing my hair. I don't do this every night. It was just time for me to wash my hair, so I had to wash my hair this day, but I'm trying to do this every 2 weeks because my hair is relaxed and I need to keep it nice and moisturized. So yeah, every 2 weeks I will be washing my hair, and tonight was just that night, so I'm just putting oil in it to prep it for my wash, and I'm just gonna put it up while I do my skincare. Well, before I do my skincare, I am going to do my oral care. I'm gonna floss. I'm just using these Grin flossing things, and I'm just gonna use that to floss. I mainly floss at night before bed because that's when all the gunk is there from everything I ate throughout the day. And then I'm just gonna use this Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I've been using this toothpaste for a while. I love this toothpaste. It really does help in keeping my teeth white and very, very clean. So yeah, this is my favorite toothpaste. After I'm done brushing my teeth, I am gonna go in with a disposable tongue scraper. I used to use the reusable one, but I don't know, I just thought it was unsanitary, so I got disposable ones. And I like to scrape my tongue every day, obviously, because we carry a lot of like bacteria and germs on our tongue, so we gotta make sure we scrub all that off, and also just to help us keep our breath smelling really, really good. And now I'm moving on to skincare. I'm just gonna start off with this CeraVe oil cleanser, and I'm using this cleanser because I am on a lot of acne medication. If you watch my previous videos, I talk about it a lot. And those products or that medication that I'm on, it keeps my skin very dry. So to keep it moisturized, I go in with the oil cleanser, and then I'm just gonna go in with this little sponge to clean off that product off my face. And I usually don't wash my face in the sink. I do everything in the shower, but for the purposes of this video, I did everything in the sink. So I'm gonna use this sponge just to clean all that soap off of my face. And also I double cleanse as well. So after I'm done cleaning this off, I'm gonna go in with another cleanser. I'm gonna go in with it's my Clean and Clear aloe cleanser, and this is specifically for acne prone skin. So here I am going in with the second cleanser. And double cleansing is very important, I mean, at least for a person like me, because I break out, I suffer from acne, so I always have to make sure that my skin is clean all the time. So making sure I have all those oils off my face and all that bacteria off my face is very important. Then here I am going in with that same sponge again, just making sure my face is dry as well. After that, I'm gonna go in with this face mask. I'll leave everything linked down below. This one does have aloe and I think tea tree, which is very good for my skin. So I'm just gonna go in with this face mask. I usually try to use a face mask once a week. I don't use it too often. It's just a once a week thing. I usually like to leave this face mask on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, but you're gonna see me get in the shower next here, so I am gonna leave it on my face as I wash my hair. Now it's time to get in the shower. Start off by washing my hair. And I did already comb my hair. I didn't show that, but I just made sure all the knots were combed out of my hair. It's very important to comb out your hair before you wet it. And then I'm going in with this Master Cleanse by this is the hair care line by Taraji. This stuff smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love the way this stuff smells. It leaves my hair smelling like back in the days when I used to get a washing set and blow out, like whatever the Dominicans used to use. That's literally what my hair smells like, and I love it. But I've only used this twice, so I don't, I can't really say much about it. But it does leave my hair pretty soft, but I mean, I am relaxed right now, so I don't know. But yeah, it does leave my hair pretty like really soft, so I like that. And I think the cleanser has a lot of like oils and stuff in it, like tea tree oil and some other oils as well, which is really good for your hair as well. And then I use her conditioner, and I just like to leave that conditioner in my hair while I do everything else. So I'm gonna put this in my hair and just clip my hair out and just let that, marinate. So now I'm just washing off that face mask, and as you can see, the water is really hot. I love taking hot showers. Like, I don't know, it just relaxes me. And then I'm gonna go in with this Dr. Bronner's body wash. I use this as a pre-wash, just to pre-wash my body before I go in with the moisturizing soap. So I'm just gonna make sure I wash all over my body, my armpits, my legs, my back. Make sure I get all the parts on my body, my feet, everything. And I love this net because it's so easy to like scrub your back with it. Like, you don't have to go twist your arm to try to get to your back. So it's so easy to use. And I'm African, so I've been using this net sponge since like as a kid. This is what we use. We don't use like cloths or washcloths or anything like that. We use this net. Then I'm gonna go in with a body scrub. I typically like to do this at least like once a week. I don't do this too often because I do use exfoliating gloves every day. So I like using this scrub like once a week, and I really like to just scrub my body, my elbows, just all over my body, just to get all that dead skin off and just have my body feeling nice and smooth. Don't forget your feet. I know I'm not showing much of it. It's just very hard to film but don't forget your feet. Now I'm moving on to shaving. I'm using this EOS shaving gel and I think this flamingo razor. For the same reasons that I love this razor is the same reasons that I hate it, because it's so sharp. But it works like wonderfully. And then I'm moving on to foot care. Like I said, don't neglect your feet. Make sure that you are washing your feet, scrubbing it, showing it some love, because nobody wants to walk around with dry feet. And this pumice it works wonders, like literally works wonders, and it leaves the back of my feet so soft. Like this is the only thing that works for me. And I don't know, like my feet be baby soft after using this, so get you one of these. So after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with a moisturizing body wash. I'm going in with this Natrium body wash. This is their salicylic acid body wash. I heard that salicylic acid is really good for your body, well, for your skin in general. So I'm just going in with that. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off this conditioner, rinse the conditioner out of my hair. And then I'm also gonna clean my girl down there. Yeah, that's the end of my shower. Now that I'm all nice and dry, I did forget to tone, but usually I would tone before I put this face mask on. And this is a brightening face mask, but it's very, very moisturizing as well. Like I said, my skin is very dry, so I just wanted to use a face mask to bring some moisture back into it, and also some brightness, of course. So I'm just gonna apply this and leave this on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes while I do everything else. But this is super moisturizing, and I try to get everything that's in that packet, like everything, and just put it on my face. I'm gonna go in with this Bum Bum cream from Sol de Janeiro, and then I'm using this like oil. It's kind of a dupe for Sol de Janeiro, but it's an oil. I think they also have the cream too. I got it at Trader Joe's. One day I just like went to Trader Joe's and it was there, and I got it because I had seen the girlies say it's like a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream. So it smells so good together. Oh my gosh, this is like the best combination ever. My body is so soft and like moisturized, and oh my gosh, so glowy and soft. I love it, and it smells so good. So I'm making sure I apply all of that all over my body, my legs, my back, my feet. Let's not neglect our feet. Now I'm going in with the blow dry, and I'm just blow drying my hair because nobody wants to sleep with wet hair. So I'm just gonna blow dry it. I don't do too much. I don't put too much products after. I just go in with the oil and apply that while it's wet. It's like a moisturizing oil, a Moroccan moisturizing oil. I put that on it while it's wet, and also when I'm done blow drying it as well. And I do blow dry on high heat because my hair is not that thick. I have fine hair, and it doesn't take me that long to blow dry it, honestly. But I just like to rush. Like, I hate doing my hair, to be honest. Like, I don't like doing my hair at all, but I do it because yeah. Here I am going in with that Moroccan oil, and I'm just using less than a dime size, just very little, because my hair is fine and just using too much product on it is just going to weigh it down. So try to use very minimal product. And now just clipping it out of the way so I can finish my skincare. So now I'm just going in and rubbing in that the rest of whatever was on that face mask into my skin, because we want it all. Like, my skin needs all the moisture. And then I'm going in with my Niacinamide ordinary face serum. This has helped my skin texture, so I love this product. And I'm just using the niacinamide today because I didn't need the hyaluronic acid. That's usually for hydration, and I had already did the face mask which brought in some hydration to my face, so I didn't need the hyaluronic. And then I'm going in with this tretinoid cream. If you suffer from acne, then you know tretinoid is like a must-have in your skincare. So I'm just going in. I probably used a little bit too much, but you know, I'll be okay. But I mainly use this at night because tretinoid is very drying, and also like just going out in the sun having like a harsh product like this on your face is very dangerous. So I try to use it at night, and at night is when most of your products like settle into your skin the best. So yeah. So now I'm going in with my CeraVe moisturizing cream and just moisturizing my skin. Using some Vaseline for my lips, because you can't have dry lips. Well, I can't have dry lips. Like, I hate dry lips. And then I'm going in with my night guards, you know, because it's nighttime and I'm going to bed. And I grind my teeth at night, which causes headaches and stuff. So using a night guard does help. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.